So we all know our basic division, but for you guys that don't know, basic division is as simple as 4 divided by 4. Y'all know that is 1. But if you're in preschool like my baby sister Bella, you might not know it. So now we are going to long division. But before you go skip to the world of long division, make sure you visit the world of mathematicians, and you have to also learn mathematics and also visit the world of basic division before you come to long division land. So let's go back to long division. So in our long division, we are used to this. But we have to introduce you to another sign in long division. And this is it. You could also find it like this. But this is how you'll be seeing it in our video. It doesn't have to be like this for children who don't know how to write like that. So goodbye to that sign and hello to this new one. It looks like a 5. It looks like a 5, but it's not. Get into your head. So here is where the divisor will be. So you're getting it's becoming a little complicated, right? So let me tell you, the answer is always going to be up, and it's called the quotient. So the quotient is always at the top, and it's also called the answer in our normal writing. But for it is very specific. They want it to stand out from the rest. That is why it's called quotient. And it's the answer, and the answers are always at the top. Now the next one that we're going to show you is the divisor. Divisor. And the divisor is here. It's always the big number. It's the big number. You put the big number there, the answer there. But what is this one for? It's called the dividend. The dividend is what you're dividing by. It's the big thing. The dividend, the divisor, and the quotient. So now we have learned new words, but you guys know, for people that have went up to other grades, you guys might have heard these words spoken by your teacher when you're even doing not long division, but even basic division. So they're not really only for long division. So now let's go and do the real long division. So the real long division is the question that we have here is 25 and 4. 4 divided by 25. So first you need to check if there's any numbers that are equivalent to 25 in the 4 times table, or you could just do how many times 4 will go inside 25, but that would take a long time to do it. So we'll go straight to the 4 times table. So this is why you should watch 4 times table movies and also other times tables, because you never know that you need one. So next we have found that 4 times 6 equals 24. So put 6 up here and then 24. Now we'll have to minus. So 5 minus 4 equals 1, and 2 minus 2 equals 0. So now you might see that 4, now we have to make sure that 4 can enter inside 1, but it can't. What should we do? You don't do anything with the 1. You carry it up here, write R or a dot, which shows for remainder. Then you write your remainder. So this is the answer. 6 remainder 1. Pretty easy, right? Now let's go to the 100. Here it becomes tricky. But you just apply the same thing. So in hundreds, we also apply the same thing. Our question is, for the hundreds, is this. Is 636 divided by 3. Now this will get a little tricky, but we will get it. So first we start with this. Can 3 enter 6? Yes, it can. We know it. So we put 2. For how many times it enters there? Twice. So now we have to do 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we have to minus. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Now we have to take down 3. 3 stays here. How many times will 3 enter 3? Pretty easy. Once. Now we'll put 3. Now, how we got 0 is because we are minusing. Now we bring down our 6 down here. Down here. So now, how many times will 3 enter 6? 2 times. We know that already. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have to write another 6. Then minus them to make 0. Now we have did all our numbers. And what did we get? We got 212. 212. So this is a trick. So first you need to you have to multiply the divisor and then you get the answer of the divisor if you multiply with the dividend and then the answer. This is what I mean. 212 multiplied by 3 equals 6, 3, 6. See? And now we got what we actually wrote here. That means you got it right. Now we'll go to the thousands. The big, big, big numbers. They'll be pretty hard also as this one. But if you watch this video over and over again, it will become a little easier for you and you can give yourself a pat on the back. You did well. So in thousands, it becomes tricky. It looks like it's tricky, but it's not. So what we are going to do, so we have 5 divided by 5,621. So first we have to do 5. How many times 5 can enter 5? And we know that's 1. Once. So 1 times 5 is 5. We write our 5 here. Now we minus. We have to minus. We get 0. And then we have to take the 6 down. So now the 6 is down. So that we can do further. So we can do further with our work. So now, how many times can 5 enter 6? You know, that's 1. Once. Now, so what 5 enters 6 only once. Six minus 5. So 6 minus 5. Remove 5, it becomes 1. So then we bring down 2. It becomes 12. So now, how many times does 5 enter 12? That's the big question. It goes in twice. So we write 2 up here. So we write here. The reason why we wrote 10 instead of 12 is because in the 5 times table there's no 12, right? There's only 15 and 10, and the 15 is too high and 10 is just right. So we use 10. So now 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, let's take our last one. Take it down here. 1. So, that becomes 21. So, what do we have that's close to 21? That's 20. 20 is close to 21.
And then 21 minus 20.
21 minus 20 equals 1. So what makes 20 in the first place? That is what we have to add here.
What makes 20 in the first
Is 4 times 5. So write 4 up here. So now we take that 1 because 0. So now we remain with 1. So what should we do with that 1? Actually, the remainder. 1. So here's our answer.
1,124 and a remainder of 1.
So it was finished. It was pretty hard there, but we made it easier and easier and easier. Each time we went higher, it became more difficult, but we used the same method. Going one number, then another. We could go to millions, billions, thousands, hundreds, trillions. But we stick to these ones because we can't do that all in one day. So this is the end of our video. Bye guys and have a happy day. Please watch this video over and over again and please practice this method so that it will be easier for you to do long division. Bye guys
And have a happy day.